fix Windows 10 taskbar flickering. So if you want to fix the Windows 10 taskbar flickering, then I'll show you some fixes. So the first one is try pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, as this can sometimes stop the taskbar from flickering. So simply press the Windows for 2 to 3 times and it will fix the problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to click on the Windows PowerShell application. So search for Windows PowerShell and run as administrator option. Click on yes, and here you will have your Windows PowerShell. So here you need to enter some commands. So here you need to enter sfc command. So simply enter space / scan now and hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, this will fix your problem. And once your verification has been completed, and you need to simply enter clear and then hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, you will clear the screen. And once you clear the screen, you will have this kind of screen, right? So under this, you need to enter DISM and then space / online space / cleanup, then image space / restore health. You need to enter this kind of command. Once you enter it, hit the enter, and you need to wait for the process to complete, which may take some few minutes. So here you can see that 3.8%. So you just need to wait till it loads to 100%. And once it loads to 100%, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Windows 10 taskbar flickering problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.